Wadau, as we continue speaking in regards to the case of Morage wa Modern Furniture Pacific, Gibson mwenyewe, a lot is continuing to unfold na watu wanaendelea kutoa maoni yao haswa kulingana na what transpired yesterday between Morage and one follower by the name of Dotty Patton who sells sufurias, yani anauza sufuria ambazo yeye anadai ni non-stick sufurias, na she trying to sell the idea to Morage, akijaribu tu kuadvertise kazi yake, something that caught Morage's attention, kana kwamba huyu binti alikuwa akimtukana wala kumuonyesha kwamba unajua ni aje mkeo anapika na masufuria ambazo zina stick na nini, so you can go ahead and do one good thing by buying non-stickable sufurias. Sasa baada ya Morage kuapologize, nimeona ambaye ni kasisi wa kwake Bishop Reverend Ben ama Muthee Kiengei mwenyewe akizungumza kuhusiana na hili, na apart from Muthee Kiengei pia nimeona blogger Pauline Njoroge pia speaking about the matter, and this is what kwanza tutaanza na what Pauline Njoroge said. Pauline amesema Pauline augete atiriri, besides alcoholism there is another emerging menace in Mount Kenya, celebrities who have become overnight millionaires but they have very little education. There is a lot of hype around them and they are influencing most of our social conversation. Now when a community starts looking up to such personalities for inspiration and the children start looking up to them as role models, then that community is setting itself up for big trouble ahead. Pauline ajamtaja Morage but directly netrede wa kiria Pauline aramaanisha tondu riu Pauline Njoroge uria ni muthiriti wa hakuhi wa Uhuru Kenyatta ni atuthurite dereti heu thutha wa kuga ati kuri na king'uki kinene kiyumiritie gitaru kia Mount Kenya, arauga gucokete kuyumiria celebrities yare maratonga orimwe na utuku ona matari na githomo na makagocwo muno nenda-ini, undu uria ni ubati kwihugwo. Arauga ruriri rugituika ruri cuthagiriria handu ta aya, muthundukano wa hutonga wa naihenya na ciana ikamarora iguru ta kionereria kiao, ruriri ruri haceke. Arauga giki ni king'uki kinene ukira unyui wa njohi cia ibango. And now that is something that Pauline is trying to portray. Unajua Morage mwenyewe has always been very clear kwamba mimi sikusoma, niliachia shule form 2 nikaingia kwa biashara, and you can see where I am. But he does not brag about it. He always said that he took his path, na si eti kila mtu achukue path yeye alichukua. Now naona DJ Cheese 254 akisema isikue ni hizi sufuria zimeleta hii maneno. Dero Smash anasema riri tireria andu mathomaga magatongio ni mathomo mawira maria mekuo no mamiaka handu ni marekwo matongie huria mekwenda. Esther Muriuki anasema in short arenda kuga atia, wacha wengine waseme ndikwenda guikia kara thende. Mwingine hapa nataka sasa turudi kwa what Reverend Ben has to say in regards to Morage wa Modern Furniture. Na Reverend Ben 27 minutes ago posted this, which also caught the attention of Gibson Morage Gitonga, who went ahead to reply to Muthee Kiengei. Amesema hivi Kiengei, I highly commend the incident that transpired today between our great brother and friend Gibson Morage Gitonga and one Miss Dolly Patton, who sells non-stick sufurias and pans. To my brother Morage, this is my advice to you. Be careful more so when reading social media content. Use a positive attitude that no one is fighting with you. Not all people are your enemies. Take time, because the social media that you came in is not the same with the one that I joined in 2011. This one has attracted a lot of people, many without a history. It's tough, na ukitoboa hii utakuwa mhenga kama wengine wetu hapa. Go it easy. We can all notice your hard work and we appreciate you, and that's why we are all over calling clients into your shop. Thank you for your bold step to apologize, and don't follow what your friends are doing here. Stop being rude to people, because that's not you. You are a different character from what we are seeing. Remain the Murage whom I saw in Nyeri. Huyu wa Nairobi sio yule. Ignore the celebrity status and remain the rich competitor. Usipigane na wengi. Sisi ukiona tukigonga tunajua wazazi wa kugonga na watoto wa kusukuma kando. To Dolly Parton, take these incidents as your day of God's visitation on social platforms. You can either rise positively or negatively. Yesterday I preached about favor in denial. You are the Jacob in this case. Please forgive Murage, because through him I will make an order for sufurias. Don't condemn him to death. Spread love and allow him to look for you. Use this chance to rescue him from the traps of social witchcraft. I know you can. Rise and make him rise. Murianyo bemwe ni mwariana no mutikaninane. Nemoigua Ocean ni Reverend Ben, and Murage took this positively kwa sababu namuona pale kwa comment section he has had this to say after this comment, na amesema hivi: thank you very much my bishop for the kind words. At times it is not easy to add to the social media pressure, but I agree with your wise ones that we ought to control and ride on it with a positive attitude. We should also be ambassadors of peace. Everyone should hold maximum respect to the other colleague. My focus is to use this social media space as a tool to drive change in the society, most specifically fighting the high rate of unemployment. If thousands of the young people secure jobs, it will be my greatest joy and achievement as per the Modern Pacific Furniture vision. Huyo ni Murage reply to that. Now Dreda Godhoma, a few comments from Kenyans. Aria Mara reply to what Reverend Ben has had to say. Igetoa waka mawaka uga, but I'm still thinking was necessary ambie Murage anunulie bibi yake sufuria. From the post ya Murage anatumia ile sufuria kila mtu amelelewa nayo, including the patron herself. Nikisema ni kama alikuwa anamwaibisha nitakuwa nimeoverthink. Linus Muriranja Nyambura anasema the same advice should apply to yourself. Si kila jibu hitaji arrogance na matusi. It's good to ignore some. Na Gengei akareply kwa hiyo akamwambia when you hate someone they will never make sense. Begin loving me. Karo wawe Dani anaambia akasema Murage hajapata Kiliman moms and dads. I am sure Murage hajapata Kiliman moms and dads, because I remember them. There was a time when Kiliman moms and dads was the deal. Yani the expos ambazo zilikuwa zinapigwa pale, and those people never cared, by the way. They would expose you, they would expose your family, they would expose. Alafu mayo kagia bisha shia modo magatinia kiogo magekira makayukia bisha shia modo are noi magatinia kiogo kia modo shio magekira kiogo gyaku. Kuja useme chenye unataka. Murage has not found those people. Na nimeona Reverend reply to this akasema reply to this comment by Carol Wawe Dani anasema mwambie nilikuwa admin. Sure, Reverend Ben was admin hapo, maana alikuwa anakipata pale. The expos ambazo zilikuwa zinapigwa huko Kiliman moms and dads doka dhake mani. Maudo no maradio ega drakuria weri ukirora oroyo wa Murage wa Modern Furniture Pacific amwe na mutumio yo ekaine ta Dolly Parton. What is your take and what do you drive from this story? Because the story has had both negative and positive impact at the same time. Social media is a tool that we all use to make money, to pass our messages out there, but also it can be used as a tool of distraction. Okay, take everybody kama adui yako, utakuwa unapigana tu na ghost ambazo hata wewe mwenyewe uzioni. For now, that's what's up. Nataka kujua maoni yako ni yapi hasa kulingana na ujumbe wa Pauline Njoroge pamoja na Bishop Ben Asoa in regards to the whole story ya Murage wa Modern Furniture Pacific. For now, that's what's up, na kukumbusha usisahau kusubscribe ndani ya AFM Show. Tuungane.